Let's say the power button of your iPhone has been damaged and you need to shut down your iPhone using another method. This video will show you two methods you can shut down or turn off the iPhone without using the power button. The first method is you go to Settings, then tap General and scroll down to Shut Down and slide to power off the iPhone. The second method only works on older iPhones up to iOS 10 after enabling assistive touch in Settings, then General, then Accessibility, scroll down to Assistive Touch and slide the button to the right to enable the virtual button on the screen. To shut down the iPhone, just tap on the virtual home button and tap and hold on lock screen for a few seconds. And then you will get the slider to shut down the iPhone. To restart the iPhone without using the power button, connect it to a power source using the lightning cable.